About an hour after leaving the airport, before we even reached the lodge, we found a troop of mantled howler monkeys. Once we arrived, crested guans seemed to be everywhere. We watched them move across the ground, slip between the plants, and feed in the open. Even the trees in Costa Rica demanded attention, including the street bark of this rainbow eucalyptus. Beyond the lodge, the rainforest closed in around narrow streams and shaded trails. At night, a glass frog guarded a clutch of eggs beneath a leaf. In a nearby park, an eyelash viper had chosen a railing as its perch. It was hidden in plain sight, only a few feet from passing visitors. The smallest birds rarely stayed still. A hummingbird paused just long enough to feed, then vanished back into the vegetation. And then there were the toucans, loud, unmistakable, and somehow even more impressive in person. Costa Rica did not make us search very hard for wildlife. It surrounded us from the moment we arrived.